go in with the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer first. I'm gonna put concealer top of scars. And the reason why I'm using the products that I'm showing today is because, I mean, these are my daily base makeup products, but also these are the products that I know don't break my skin out, so I don't want to do anything that irritates my skin too much. Also, you guys, I went back to AC Care because if you guys don't know what AC Care is, it's a skincare line, and it's the skincare line I've been using for the longest time. And I told you guys I changed to Huxley, but I honestly didn't really know if Huxley was the reason to why my skin was breaking out, and I wasn't exactly too sure, so I decided to just go back to AC Care and use it until my skin calms down. And it was doing pretty well after I changed back, but then I started using a different makeup puff, the cotton pads, to remove your makeup, and I think that's what irritated my skin again, because it was like a very cheap cotton pad because I ran out of the ones that I usually use. So I think that's what also irritated my skin. I'm going to go in with the Bourjois Healthy Mix Foundation today and add some more coverage. Anyway, like I was saying, so I have been using a lot of skincare brands and lines this whole year. It's December now, it's weird. But I've been using so many different skincare products. I've been using the Dr. Jart Cicapair line, Drunk Elephant. I also used Huxley. A lot of the products, I can't tell if it actually worked or not, but when I used the Drunk Elephant, I really saw a difference. I liked it. But at the same time, I wasn't sure what was breaking out my skin, so I couldn't really use it completely, if that makes sense, you know? But right now, my skin is not doing so well, so yeah, that's that. I'm just using the Bareminerals Illuminating Mineral Veil. I'm going to go in with a Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist, and I'm just gonna spray this all over my face to give my skin a more dewy look so that it looks a little bit more hydrated. Just gonna shake it up a little bit, just spray it. And then I'm just gonna let that soak in a little bit. Moving on to the eyes now, I'm using the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. I forgot to zoom you guys in. After I apply the primer, I'll zoom you guys in so you guys can see the eyeshadow better. I'm using the Huda Beauty Light Nude Obsessions eyeshadow palette today, and I liked this palette because it did have these really pretty shades of glitter, this purple one, and then like these rose gold, copper colors, and also matte shades. And I'm going to go in with this shade. Just going to apply. It's very smooth, it applies smoothly. I'm going to go in with this purple glitter and apply that all over the eyes. I'm just going to apply it in the middle. Changed my mind as I was speaking. Ooh, this glitter is really pretty. Ooh. Going with this shade right here. This is more of a pink copper color, and I think this one is super pretty as well. I'm just gonna apply at the inner corners, blend that at the outer corners. I'm gonna go in with this purple shade again, give it a pop of color. I didn't use this on my top lid, so I'm just going to use this at the bottom waterline and apply. I'm going to use the ColourPop Cream Gel Eyeliner in the color No Shame, and I'm just going to wing out the eye. Then I'm using the Para ink Black Cara in Volume Curling. These again, the Ardell Baby Demi Wispies. These are pretty natural looking. I think more than anything they add volume to your lashes. And then I'm gonna use the Holika Holika Ice Bang glitter. Add that to the bottom waterline. They have little specks of glitter and there's also big chunks of glitter. And I am going to put the big chunks of glitter today. Like that. This is the Juice Beauty Last Looks Cream Blush in the shade Flush. And I used this in my Get Ready With Me, but I really did like this shade, so I wanted to use it again today. I'm just gonna blend it in with my cushion puff I used earlier. For the lips, I'm using the Dior Ultra Rouge lipstick in the shade 587 Ultra Appeal. I feel like in the Urban Decay video that I showed, the honey makeup, I used this, but I used it to do a gradient lip in the middle. But this is such a pretty color just on its own. And use it, so I want to show you guys again. This is the Fenty Beauty Freestyle Highlighter What a Brat, and it is this pink shade. And just apply a very little amount, because I feel like we got enough on the face today. Just add a very little amount. And then add some to the tip of the nose.